Today, we'll be estimating how much money YouTubers make. We're going to take a peek at Rich Rebuild's channel. As for the YouTuber, we'll be looking at channel statistics through Social Blade. As of recording of this video, he had already uploaded 298 videos and increased his subscriber count to 1.23 million, along with around 136 million total views. From here, given the channel's apparent growth, we will be analyzing their YouTube analytics for the previous month to have a more updated data of their earnings. We're interested in their daily views, which in this case equals an average of 116,605. We will then proceed to the Social Blade's money calculator and input these numbers. Since this tool does not allow us to alter views to the exact amount, we will round these values to 116,000. The CPM, or cost per mille, which indicates the amount of money advertisers spend to display advertisements on YouTube, and ranges from $1 to less than $10. In order to match the average, we'll keep the CPM at $5. With all these factors considered and input into the calculator, we arrive at an estimated daily earnings of $580, a monthly earnings of $17,400, and an annual earnings of $208,800. However, since YouTube takes around 45% of the revenue, we'll have to multiply all of those estimations by 0.55. This would result in daily, monthly, and annual income of $319, $9,570, and $114,840 respectively. All that said, Rich Rebuild's channel is definitely interesting, as he shows how to have a good time by occasionally rebuilding cool cars and other generous shenanigans. I wish for the YouTuber to have a successful journey as a YouTube content creator. You may check his channel if you're interested, and while you're at it, leave a like on this video if you enjoyed it, and you gained some knowledge about how YouTubers earn money by creating content. Comment your thoughts about this, and subscribe for more videos to find out how much other YouTubers make.